Good morning, students. In previous video, we have finished ninth lesson. In ninth lesson, we have seen about the trades, their types, and their importance. So, dear student, today we will see lesson number 10, urbanizations, page number 75. So, listen carefully. Urbanization is a very long process and very important process, and we knows that due to urbanizations, our India as well as other country nowadays they are progressing, are developing day by day. So, dear students, urbanizations, urbanization means saharikaran, means changing village to city. We can say changing village to city. You will notice that because of the factory near the village, the occupations of the people of the village has started changing. For example, first of all, if there is a small village and anyone started their factory or industry, so to work there, to work in the factory, many people migrate there. Okay, and after some time they settle there, and for that those people are working in the factory. Okay, they settle there, and gradually the village changing in urban area. Okay, more and more people from outside come and start living in the village. Transport, hotels, restaurant, messes, retail shop, medical services, okay, start developing. So as you know, okay, जैसे जैसे विलेज का अभी अर्बन में चेंज हो रहा है, मतलब okay, many people started their small factories, and now many people are okay coming there, are migrate there, and that's why hotels, transport systems, or you can say restaurant, messes, shop, retail shop, okay, medical service, school, college, okay, such type of facilities, okay, will start very soon. That's why due to, okay, means gradually all these type of, okay, facilities we can say develop. So, looking at our country, agriculture is a main occupations in rural area. Agriculture and its allied occupations are being followed since times immemorial. But now, various industries have started coming up in rural area. So, dear friends, as you know, in India, our main occupation is agriculture, because you know very well, agriculture provide us raw materials, means maximum factories or companies are depend on the raw material, and agriculture provide us raw material. Without raw material we can't start any type of agriculture. So many factories or companies are, you can say depend on the raw material. For example, sugar factory, cotton mills, okay, and many agro industries, because for that our agriculture provide raw material. So but now various industries have started coming up in rural area. That's why many companies, manufacturers, okay, they started in the rural area, because they gets raw material in rural area. And now what is going on now? Due to that, rural people, those are living in rural area, they get employment. For example, we can say factories, mills, energy plants, multi-purpose project, etc. People come from the surrounding region to work here, and thus population of village increase. That's why, okay, those people are unemployment. Okay, now they are migrate from one place to another place to work in the factory or companies, and that's why gradually the population of that village increase day by day. इस तरह से हर दिन या ओके हर दिन उसका पॉपुलेशन क्या होता है, इंक्रीज होती है, उसकी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती है. To fulfill their needs, other services and also develop like medical facilities, food, hospitals, recreations. Okay, consequently, the extent of the village grows and from earlier village changes. So, जैसे कि for example, if anyone start or you can say establish sugar factory in Lakni. So okay, those people are needy, those are you can say skilled worker or unskilled worker, okay, they will come in Lakni, okay, and they will settle here. So to fulfill their needs, many people will start different type of shops, okay, or you can say hospital, recreations, medical facilities, okay, all these facilities will start soon after the establishment of factory or company. मतलब जिस रूरल एरिया में जो फैक्ट्री और कंपनी ओपन होती है उस एरिया में इस तरह की सभी फैसिलिटीज कुछ दिन बाद अवेलेबल हो जाते हैं और धीरे धीरे ओके कुछ दिन बाद या कुछ सालों बाद उस जो विलेज एरिया है, जो रूरल एरिया है, उसका डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है एंड आफ्टर सम इयर्स दैट रूरल एरिया चेंज इनटू अर्बन एरिया. सो द एक्सटेंट ऑफ विलेज ग्रोज एंड फ्रॉम अर्ली विलेज चेंजेस, और कुछ सालों बाद वो विलेज अर्बन एरिया में चेंजेस होता है. सो द ग्राम पंचायत प्रोवाइडिंग पब्लिक सर्विस टू द विलेज गिव्स अवे टू म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल और म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशंस. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो इन रूरल एरिया एंड इन अर्बन एरिया, ओके, ग्रामीण प्रदेश एंड शहरी प्रदेश. सो इन रूरल एरिया Gram Panchayat work there. You know, our Gram Panchayat is you can say basic level, you can say government. There are 3 tiers. You know, Gram Panchayat, जिला पंचायत समिति एंड जिला परिषद. सो कि जो छोटे छोटे गांव होते हैं वहाँ का जो काम होता है, ओके, वहाँ की जो फैसिलिटीज होती है, वहाँ के यू कैन से जो भी काम है, ओके, वो ग्राम पंचायत देखती है. सो नाउ व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, due to the industries, due to the companies, okay, many people migrate there and the population increase, and due to the population increase the rural area change into urban area. That's why after some years gram panchayat will be removed from that place and municipal councils or municipal corporations work there. और उसका पॉपुलेशन बढ़ने के बाद में ओके वहाँ पे म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन और म्यूनिसिपल काउंसिल वहाँ पे काम करते हैं, जैसे नगर परिषद, नगर पंचायत, महानगर पालिका, ओके, इस तरह के जो जैसे जैसे ड्यू टू देयर पॉपुलेशन वो वहाँ पे काम देखती है. These bodies provide the different basic services to the citizen like drinking water, and these bodies, okay, ये जो बॉडी है, ओके, these bodies provide all type of service or facilities to the citizens, those who are living in particular place. For example, drinking water है, roads है, transportation है, okay, sewage network, street lighting, school, college, okay, all these work they are municipal corporations. Beside this earlier facility like टाउन प्लानिंग, उसके अलावा जो टाउन प्लानिंग है, ओके, वो मतलब रूरल का अभी अर्बन बनने के बाद में उसके टाउन की प्लानिंग किस तरह से होनी चाहिए, सब काम महानगर पालिका, म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन देखती है. रिक्रिएशन फैसिलिटीज, अभी आप देखो रिक्रिएशन फैसिलिटीज, एज यू नो इन ऑल अर्बन एरिया देर आर रिक्रिएशन फैसिलिटीज, जस्ट लाइक गार्डन्स है, पार्क है, उसको इस तरह का उसका मतलब निर्माण करना. टूरिस्ट प्लेस park also need to develop. Consequently the village transform into the town or city, and the student after some times, or can say after some years, okay, that village change into town or city. So this process is, we have seen, urbanizations, and this process take, you can say, many years. इस process के लिए बहुत साल लगते हैं. But nowadays we have seen when we got freedom, you know, we got freedom 1947, and the rate of urbanizations is increasing rapidly ये जो अर्बनाइजेशन का रेट है वो रैपिडली बढ़ रहा है। जैसे कि ऐसे बहुत सारे सिटीज़ है, जैसे अपना नागपुर है। ओके, नागपुर पहले उतना डेवलप सिटी नहीं था। ओके, नाउडेज इट इज़ अ यू कैन से मेगा cities in India. It is a central place. It is a sub capital of Maharashtra. Just like there are many you can say cities. Okay, these cities are you can say mega cities in India, because in that city different type of companies and industries are developed, and that's why that area has become now urban area. So dear students, in this way it is just you can say introductions of this lesson 10 urbanizations. Next portion we will see tomorrow. Thank you.